Hey crochet lovers, welcome to Amy's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn the super easy tote bag, or you can say a handbag with a flower here and the round handles. So let's go ahead and start making this tote bag. Okay, for this project, I have taken the Super Saver 100% acrylic yarn, and this is a bit of chunky yarn. I've taken two colors, off-white or cream color you can say, and maroon or dark red color. So let's start. So the very first thing, I have made this base of this bag, which is, if you want, I have already made a video on how to make an oval base, and it all totally depends on number of chains, or how long or how big you want your handbag to be. So I've started with 50 chains, and then I have increased on both the sides, and I've completed the basic pattern, the basic shape of my handbag. After this, what I'm going to do is I am going to make 4 rounds of single crochet after completing the basic pattern here. So one chain up, single crochet in the same stitch, and then one single crochet all the way around, and likewise I will complete 4 rounds of single crochet with this color. I'll see you after this. Alright, so here I have completed 4 rounds of single crochet, and now I will proceed with the pattern of this bag. For this, I'll make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, 4 chains, which will count as one treble crochet. I will make one more treble in the same stitch, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 more trebles in the same stitch. I'll wrap my yarn 2 times on my hook, insert my hook, grab the yarn through 2 loops, another 2 loops, and another 2 loops. This will complete my treble. Now I'll leave 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4 stitches here, and then in the 5th stitch again I'll make treble, 1, 2 trebles, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 more trebles in the same space. Like this. Again, skipping 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the 5th stitch I'll make 2 trebles, 4 chains, and 2 trebles. Four, and 2 more trebles here. So likewise, I'll keep continuing this round of making 2 trebles, 4 chain, 2 trebles after skipping 4 stitches from the bottom row. And I'll complete this round. I'll see you at the end of this round. Alright, so here I've completed this round, and I'm going to finish this round by making a slip stitch on the top of this 2 trebles like this. Now for the next round, what I'm going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4 chains up, which will count as one treble. I'll make one more treble here in between this space. Then 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 more trebles at the same place here. Like this. Then treble two trebles here in between this, two four trebles which we have made in the previous round, four chains, one, two, three, four, and two more trebles, the same space, one and two. Likewise, I'll keep repeating this round here in the center where we have joined two trebles here. In this round, we will make two trebles, two chains, four chains, and two trebles like this. Likewise, I'll complete this round and I'll see you at the end of this round. So here I am done with my second round and I'm going to do a slip stitch here in between these two trebles like this. Now, before doing this, I would like to change my color as I'm making this bag in two colors. So I am going to grab another color yarn, which is my maroon color. And a chain one up like this. Now what I'm going to do is for next four rounds I'll simply make one single crochet. So on the top of it one single crochet, and in four chains I'll make four single crochets, one, two, three, and four. And here I'll make one, in between here one single crochet here, and four single crochets in the gap, one, two, three, four, in the gap here, one single crochet here, one single crochet here, oops, and four single crochet in the chain four gap. So I'll keep doing like this for the entire row and for the next three rows, and after that I'll repeat these two rounds, then four rows of single crochets, then these two rounds, and you can keep making this pattern as long as you want the width or the height of your bag. And I'll see you after making few more rows. Let's see how much longer I want this bag to be. Alright, so here I have made my last four rows of single crochet and one row with a decrease. So I'll show you how I have made a decrease. Where I have done the slip stitch, I'll make one chain up and a single crochet in the same stitch and four more single crochets. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'll make a decrease like this, one here, and insert the hook in the next like this, pull the yarn through and pull it through like a slip stitch. Now again 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a decrease. On the top of this I'll insert my hook like this. Again in the next first loop I'll insert my hook like this and pull the yarn through 3 loops here like a slip stitch. So basically after every 5 single crochets I've made a decrease. After this round I'll make one round of whole single crochets and then I will attach my handles here. So I'll see you after this round. All right, so here I've completed this basic of my bag, and now finally I'll attach this handles here. And this is a very easy way to attach handle like this. So you have to make sure that you're covering all this semicircle part of the handle with this needle, and the rest of the part, this part, the upper part, what you can do is you can crochet. You can cover with crochet. So likewise, I'll keep doing, and I'll attach both of this handles, and I'll see you then. All right, so finally this bag is ready. I have added these handles here and a rose. So I hope you liked my video. Go ahead, please keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.